coaching thought for the day. So a big part of what I do is coaching individual teachers, but I also coach teams of teachers. And those teams are designated by administrators, and so they have certain needs that need to be addressed. So I work with those teams. Now, one thing that I do in addition to going to those team meetings is I also will visit those classrooms. So I visit those classrooms about once a week for each teacher on that team. When I go to those, there are two things that helps me do. One, it helps me to understand content because I've never taught any of these high school classes before. So it helps me to understand the content. And then it also helps me identify patterns in how students are learning things, if teachers are taking different approaches, so that then I can provide feedback when I'm in those PLC meetings and let people know about the differences that I saw and how students responded, kind of a catalyst to help teachers share ideas with one another. So that is a really important part, I think, of if you are working with teams. You need to be in those classrooms and you need to be seeing how the things that you talk about in team meetings actually play out in real life.